Linking radiators to the app. Before starting with this linking process, please disable the Wi-Fi connection of any other smartphone or tablet that may have been connected previously to any Harmony radiator. You can enable the connection later when the process is finished. The first time you try to link radiators to the app, you will see two symbols on the main screen, one at the bottom and another one in the middle of the screen. Press either of them. The next screen will remind you that you have to verify that the external thermostat has to be previously linked to the radiator by following the instructions on the user manual. Once it is verified, press Continue. Now proceed to link the radiator. The app screen will show you that you have to verify that the heater is powered on. Then press the Mode key on the external thermostat for a few seconds until the Wi-Fi symbol blinks and the words Wi-Fi INI appears on the thermostat screen. After this, press Continue on the app screen. Following the instructions on the app screen, now go to Wi-Fi settings on the mobile or tablet. Find WCLM network and connect. Then press Go to Wi-Fi settings. In mobile Wi-Fi settings, wait a few seconds until the network WCLM appears. In case it does not appear, close the wireless LAN connection and open it again. You may have to close and open the wireless LAN connection several times until the WCLM network appears. It will depend on the version of your mobile or tablet. If there is any other radiator linked to the app, or if it has been previously linked, or if you have tried to link to the WCLM network, then select on that network the Forget WCLM network option to reset the previous configuration and proceed to connect again when the WCLM network reappears in the list of networks on your mobile. Also, your mobile may ask you to stay connected to the network that seems to have no internet access. Agree on staying connected. On the mobile, return back to the Harmony app which appears on the last screen mentioned. Now press Search. After a few seconds, a menu with different Wi-Fi networks will appear on the screen. Select the one you use at home. If you have multiple Wi-Fi networks because you may have one or more Wi-Fi extenders, then please select the one with the best signal and enter the password so the heater can be linked. Then confirm. After several seconds, depending on the Wi-Fi signal and server connection, the heater will be linked. You will be directed to the heater identification screen. Here you choose the heater name and icon. You can also assign a home in case you have several. Now the app will ask you to include the serial numbers of the heaters paired to this thermostat. First, include the number of heaters that you have paired from 1 to 5. The app will then show you the same number of serial number fields. There are two ways to include the serial number of each heater. You can read the barcode on the white label off the heater box using the barcode scanner of the app, or you can write the serial number directly using the keyboard on your device. To enter the serial number using the barcode scanner, click on the QR icon. The app will access the camera of your device and show you a square that will read the barcode of the white label. To enter the serial number using the keyboard of your device, just click on the field and write it. Then save settings. You will then be directed to the main screen where the heater appears as already linked.